Wow. I think there's 6 of them.
I see blueberries.
Uh-huh. How many you got now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. How many more do you need to get to get to 6?
1 more.
4, 5,
6.
6. So how many more do you need?
3.
No.
Cold.
Creepy.
Warm, cold, cold.
Creepy, stop it. Creepy, stop it.
Did you look over there? Over by the door?
Cold.
Creepy, stop it. That never.
Oh, good.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Now I need 1 more.
1 more. Bella can't remember even where she put it.
Cold.